Check it out, guys. Look what I just got in the mail. I got a Fastway hitch for my truck. Now, if you've seen videos of my truck, you've probably already seen that I have a drop hitch on it, but it's a 6-inch drop, and since I'm lifting the truck 2 inches in the rear, well, really 3 with the tires, I ordered up this 8-inch drop from Fastway through Amazon, and what it is, it's a 2.5-inch shank, or yeah, 2.5-inch square tube that goes into the receiver. And you can see here it's rated for 1,800 pounds tongue weight, 18,000 pound trailer weight, which is more than the actual hitch is rated for. And it comes with the 2 5/16 and 2-inch balls, both in chrome plated steel, although the actual body of the hitch is aluminum. So I wanted to unbox it here for you and show you exactly what the part number and everything is for it. It's a really good deal, honestly. I mean, for exactly what you're getting, it's high polished aluminum, looks really good. And I ordered the locking pins separate, which will be here today. And then I also got a couple other things from Amazon, but it does come with pins, they're just not locking pins. So let's get this thing opened. Alright, so first of all, here's the front of the box. Take a good look at it. It's a pretty good box. It seems well packaged. Here's the part number, 42-00-2825. That gives you an 8-inch drop, 9-inch rise, and it comes with the 2 and the 2 5/16 balls. And it's taped here, so we'll open it. There we go. Let's see. Okay. So you get a registration card for the warranty, which I'll fill out and send in, because I think this has a lifetime warranty. You get a little kind of a brochure here and tells you exactly what you get. You get the drop bar. So you get looks like just kind of an information card on the actual hitch. So you can kind of take a look at that. You can pause this and check that out if you want. This is the back. Tells you about care and maintenance, shows some of their other things that they make. Fastway makes some really cool products. This will be my first Fastway hitch. I've had the Anderson hitch, which is what I currently have, the 6-inch. It's not nearly as polished or as heavy duty as this one. So it comes packaged in this plastic, which this is heavy. I think the shipment, FedEx said this was like 39 pounds. So for being all forged aluminum, all polished and everything, it's pretty good weight. It's pretty shiny. There is a little bit of rubbing here on the edges, maybe just from sitting in the box and shipping, or you can see how dull it is here. You can always polish this up. I don't know if it's clear coat or not. Here's the 2-inch ball. It's rated for 12,000. 2 5/16 rated for 18,000. So I'll take that out. Here's the height adjustment pin, which is, I feel like this is aluminum. Yeah. Comes with a cotter pin. And then here is the actual drop bar, which is 8 inches. So every hole is an inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if you set it all the way at the top, I think that makes it 8. Let's see. So I would assume this is no drop. This is the top hole. So the ball is in line with the receiver. So let's see. 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5. I don't know. I don't know how they measure 8, but that is a beefy hitch, and this is the top of it. So it's got your manufacturer Fastway trailer. It's the Flash series, made in the USA. That's always good. Gives you a warning: don't exceed your vehicle receiver weights or the tow ball rating. And then it's also got this information stamped in, so you know exactly what it's rated for. 1,800 tongue weight, 18,000 pound trailer weight. There's the SAE standard, how they tested it, and that's about it. Patent pending. So It almost looks used, like it was used and returned, but maybe when they polished it, because they didn't polish the back, they probably put it into something to hold it while they were polishing it. So anyway, overall I think it looks pretty damn good, and can't wait to put it on my truck, try it out. I'll show you here how this pin goes through. So unlike the Anderson, the holes on this are they're full holes. On the Anderson it's like a half hole. I'll do a review on that too. I haven't had any problems with it. It's just a different style. So anyway, I'll get you a picture of this once it's on my truck, but unfortunately my truck's still at the shop. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.